Wi-Fi speed and experience may vary from ground networks and can be affected by the number of concurrent users on board. You may encounter intermittent Wi-Fi due to other factors such as weather conditions, satellite switching, or flying out of coverage areas. Certain countries' regulatory restrictions will disrupt in-flight Wi-Fi on flights to and from Europe or India. When this happens, in-flight Wi-Fi will be unavailable. Please try reconnecting later once the aircraft has left these areas. If you're having trouble connecting, try selecting Forget Network and reconnect to ChrisWorld. Enable auto-join in your Wi-Fi settings to automatically reconnect if the connection is lost. For more details, refer to the in-flight Wi-Fi card in your seat pocket, or check out the Singapore Airlines category in the ChrisWorld's TV section. You may approach our cabin crew if you require further assistance. To avoid unexpected charges, be sure to turn off data roaming on your device. Not a KrisFlyer member? Join now! Visit ChrisWorld Digital at kw.sq.com to sign up for KrisFlyer membership and gain instant access to Wi-Fi. Stay connected with Singapore Airlines.